from Jim Bob?
He's on his way from Pecos. They said he's gonna be here sometime tomorrow.
It's a blizzard out there. He ain't never gonna make it.
Steady boys, do you want to go out and play in the snow? Check if your kids want to go slide in the bucket sled to see if it really is funny or not.
Hey guys! Hello!
Howdy, it's Brother Trevor. We're smoking a brisket. There's a blizzard outside, and we're gonna build us a village in the Wild West. Let's do it. Yeah, it has, huh? Here's some of our footage, behind the scenes view. Say hi, Zoe.
Ah, what you doing? Don't give them too many secrets.
Okay, I won't give them too many secrets. All right, let's go get one of these. This cutting board right here. You're gonna get your rubble. You're gonna get your rubble. What's we got going on over here, Mom? Oh, there's a village. Say hi, Mama. Hey. Oh, we got a village. We'll look into that village here in a little bit. First, we need to go get this brisket off the tractor pit. Oh. Ooh. Look at all that. Ooh. Got it. Let's go. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Looking good, looking good. Looking good. All right. Let's put this down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slippery slidey. Chop off that brisket. Here we are, Monday, the day after Valentine's Day, 2021. Monday, so our power was out at 4 o'clock a.m. Our power got turned off because they're all the rolling power outages. And now we're going to go next door to see how our neighbors are doing. Here we go. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. Whoa, those guys got out in it. Ooh, 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 look at it. Let's come up to my ankles, like way past my ankles. Oh, whoa. Oh, it's cold at my feet. Oh, it's cold at my feet. Cold at my feet. Oh, wow. There's a Suburban. That's wow. So we're walking out here. Oh man, this is crazy. This is amazing. I don't think I've ever seen this much snow here like this. I don't think I've ever seen it before. We're gonna walk over here to the. Just walk it down. We could probably have this big snowball fight or something. Oh, so much snow everywhere. I don't know what to do with it. And it's gonna be here for like 3 days. Because it's gonna warm up Tuesday, but then it's gonna snow again on Wednesday. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We're gonna walk over this way. Whoa, whoa, no. What does it say, about 9 inches? What do you cook with?
Did you break the couch? No. Let me see. Where'd you bonk?
Almost there. Giddy up. Oh, almost there. Oof. Gotta get back up. Get back up, horse. There it is right there. We can see it.
It's sure slippery outside, out front. That'll make you fall down.
We didn't think you was gonna make it, Jim Bob. Well, Howdy, it feels like somebody's watching us right now.
Day three. This is Tuesday. Day 1 was the blizzard. It blew in on Sunday. Day 2 was the blackout. All Texas went all blackout. Day 3. So it's supposed to warm up today. We're gonna go venture out to HEB, Walmart, Sam's Club. Chick-fil-A's supposed to open, so we're gonna go have some fun. Chick-fil-A said they's gonna open up, so we're gonna go sit in line for an hour probably. Then go get some pellets, some Traeger pellets. Sam's Club's got some nice Traeger pellets. We're gonna head on over there. Blizzard in the desert, like we live in Colorado or Alaska while living in a desert. That's cool, huh? Yeah, so we've had fun for about a few days, but it's starting to get old now, so no throwing snowballs at me. No, you're not throwing snowballs at me. Ready, set, go. Day 4, Wednesday morning. So power went off again. I tried running my Traeger off of my pickup truck inverter, but not enough. So we're going to do this manually. So we's out of water. The plumbing, the city water broke here at Papa's house. So we're going to get us some water right here. Hey, you got ice in your... Aha, look, there you got some. Starting to fill up. We're gonna go build us a snow castle. You ready? Let's go do this. And we're gonna take the snow out of the Texas, so maybe when it melts, then all of Texas will be dry, and all of non-Texas can have all of its snow back. Take it back, because we don't want it anymore. Yep. Like this, you ready?
gathering up more snow. We're trying to, that went through, boil it, melt it to put in the toilet tanks right now. We've got plenty in the bathtubs for melting, hopefully.
She's pretty, huh? Yeah.
And I'm stocking up the freezer with Ziplocs in case it warms up above freezing and we lose power again. Hopefully we can keep food.
It's starting to melt, Mama. It's time for the snow volcano.
You can come closer, it's okay.
Lava.
Lava. What color did I make lava? Green.
That's my favorite color. It probably noticed that's my favorite color.
Yeah, they probably knew that, so it was green.
Nice.
Whoa.
The lava is green, not red. Red is the normal color of real volcanoes which destroy.
So is green a good volcano?
I don't know.